Carbo offers the service for PO management. Can you explain that in more in depth?
So PO management is a multitude of different factors, has a multitude of different factors affecting it. So purchase order management isn't as simple as just managing the orders that come into the facility from the different retailer or distributor channels and ensuring that the products get fulfilled through them. It's also an extension of vendor compliance, the collection, picking of the product, and the booking of the transportation methods. It's the consolidation of that said inventory and potentially loading into some sort of container that is affected by customs. It's real-time data offerings of both orders and inventory that are seen in the warehouse in whatever the possible state that they are seen in. It offers upstream data tracking, so once that good ships, if it's shipping LTL, it offers tracking based on the pro. Has the good delivered? Is it sitting at a cut facility? Is it, in a trailer waiting to be sorted at a UPS packing facility to go out in a truck and delivered directly into the hands of your end user? The next is the order management bookings. When are the pickups coming? What quantity of goods is going out? And then to the origin pre-distribution programs that are associated with PO management as well. So PO management is start to finish management for your goods in the facility and your ability to see the data that affects every one of those possible scenarios in real time.